Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on the KSCRAFT Snow Cone Shaker released in the summer. You could find this die set at KSCRAFT Amazon or KSCRAFT Aliexpress. I'll have the links listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So I had a request from CC to make a tutorial on the snow cone that I had in my video a while back, and they look like this. It looks like a real snow cone that you would get out in the real world. So I'm just gonna show you how to do them. It looks kind of glittery here because I used some rock candy, and I also inked it. So I'll show you right now how I did this. I cut out one piece like this and then another piece like this, and so it came from these two metal dies. And also I did a foam and one acetate like this. And what we're gonna do is I'm using this white piece of paper because it's easier to ink this way. And so I put the base layer at the bottom and then this part with the hole in here on top of it, align it together like this. And I'm going to so I have these Distress ink, and I'm gonna start inking the parts at the top to make it colorful, like it's flavored. So I have this lemonade, flamingo, and tumbled glass. And just see which order you want to do it in. It doesn't matter which order. So I'm going to put the pink in the middle because the other two didn't have the pink in the middle, and I like to see the pink. So we're going to do that first. So just add some ink to your sponge or whatever pad that you have, and then I would just lightly go over it wherever you like. So I'm doing this one in the middle like this. The darker it is, the better, so it'll see through the rock candy. And I'm gonna do blue next. I'm gonna put it on this side. And then I have yellow. I'm going to put it on the right side. Like this. It doesn't matter if you overlap because then it'll be like pink and yellow makes orange, and blue and pink makes purple. So we're done that now. And now we're gonna, let me move this over. We're gonna put this foam on, remove this part and put the foam on top of here and glue it on. Just like that. and put whatever you want in the shaker. So I have these snowflake sequins here that are iridescent. I'm putting about 7 pieces in there, 7 to 8 pieces. You don't want to put too many so that it could move in there and you can see the colors at the bottom. And next up, we're gonna put the raw candy on this piece of acetate. And the raw candy is this Timholtz Distress Glitter Clearrockcandy by Ranger. I have this parchment paper ready so that it's gonna catch any of the glitter that's gonna come out. So, and now I also have some Glossy Accents Clear Dimensional Medium. You can also use another one. I totally forgot what the brand is, but there's another brand that has a similar thing, and it's like a dimensional kind of medium. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of foam, scrap foam that you have, and we're going to put a layer, a thin layer of this glossy accent. It's not coming out, so I'm just going to try to like open it up a bit. There we go, it's coming now. So I just put a little dab of the glossy accents on there, like this. And we're going to spread it like this into one thin layer. And I would do it all the way up to where these 2 notches are. Like that. And then we're gonna flip it over and dab it into the jar of Clearrockcandy. I'm gonna press on it a bit so it adheres to the glossy accent, and we're going to tap it a bit to get the excess off, like that. And here we have some raw candy. And we're going to do the same thing if you want some on top of here. So I think there's still some glossy accents stuck onto here. No, we're just going to put some more on. Like that. And we're going to dip it in there and tap it. So now it's like really super glittery, like ice. And once we're done with this, we're going to glue this on top of the acetate like that. there. And now we're going to glue this on top of the foam. So let's remove this out of the way. Put some glue either on here or here. I'll just put it on here because it's easier. And make sure not to put it where the rock candy is, the window of the rock candy, because you don't want to see any of the glue on there. So yeah. And let's put it on like this, right on top. Starting to come together. And we're going to put the stripes onto the cone like this. I have yellow this time because the other ones are pink and blue. Oops, sorry. And I'm going to turn on my glue gun. And finally we have these snow cone words that come with the die set. So what I did was I cut out a piece of foam, and then another of the cardstock paper in yellow that's going to go on top of the yellow colored foam, and then this shiny one is gonna go on top, so it's like kind of layering, and it's like a shadow word. So let's put this piece on first. And then this part. And you want some of the yellow to peep out, so I put this shiny part a little bit offset from the yellow. And then we're going to glue these words on to the snow cone. We're almost there. And those snow sequin flakes inside the shaker, I got those from my local dollar store. They had like a package of like snowflake sequins, and so it was a long time ago, so But these ones I got from AliExpress, and if I could find them, I'll link them in the description box below. So these are the final ones to be added onto the snow cone. And so yeah, you can add it anywhere you like. I'll just put it in the middle this time. And I hope the hot glue gun is ready. And yeah, just add. Just a tiny dab will do. And then you add it on here. And the second snowflake. Is going to be on top of it. Like that. And then we have another smaller sequin snowflake that we could also add on. To here, maybe. There. The snow cone shaker. That looks like those real ones with the rock candy here. Isn't this so cute? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!